Hey guys, I watched Vinyl Nerd's Windy Day video, both parts, so I figured I'd make another part and see if it's picked up at all. I mean, I think my wind is stronger than his, like normal, but it's still not very strong today. Not like normal. You guys know usually it's a lot harder. That's Jack playing with his squeaky toy. Oh, those two are. Oh, wow. Yeah, the butterfly chimed up. The striker's coming out. Look. The bottom's spinning around on these. I wonder. I bet Vinyl Nerd is jealous I have this one. I bet he wants it so, or at least the mezzo. He wants it so bad, and I like the mezzo too. I hope to get it one day. But you know, money, 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 money. People want too much of it. They're greedy. Oh, there's a gust. Oh yeah. Oh, wow, the gust made it back here. Whoa. See what's funny? What's funny is that one right there blows a lot. Maybe because it's coming through that hole right there where there's no fence. But these back here are barely, you see how these are like a lot more still? I mean, they're moving, but not nearly as much as this one. Yeah, see, look, that one's just spinning in circles. Those are just kind of rocking a little bit. Oh, that one's moving a little bit now. Vinyl Nerd's absolute favorite. Oh, yeah. Here I go again. You know what I should do? I mean, obviously I can't do this because I don't know where he lives, but when it's his birthday, I should ship him a present, and it should be the Gypsy Alto. That would be hilarious. He'd probably send it back to me and say, "Don't ever do this again." And of course, those chimes over there are moving the least. Yeah, so Vinyl Nerd was talking about the wind directions, like what wind direction causes which pattern. I've noticed whenever according to the weather apps and stuff, whenever we're getting the pattern where, you know, the chimes on the porch and the bells of paradise blow more, it's coming from like from either that way or that way. I'm sure you've noticed. But whenever these chimes on this half of the yard are blowing more, it's like coming from like over that way somewhere. Yeah, I just figured I'd show that too. Well, most of the time when this half blows more, it's coming either from that way all the way over to that way, or even that way, maybe even is when these chimes blow more. Yeah, so like from here to like here is when that half over there gets the more wind, and like from there all the way to like here, or somewhere over there is where these get the most wind. I think Vinyl Nerd's kind of the same way. I think when his wind's blowing the opposite direction of normal, that's when the patterns change. I don't know about the like the crossways directions at his house though, if you know what I mean. Like if when the wind's hitting directly the front of his house or directly the back. I don't know if that even makes sense. Like obviously the wind goes 4 directions, that way, that way, that way, or that way. So yeah. I swear, if Vinyl Nerd reacts to this, he's gonna really like, he's gonna be like, don't send me that as a present. I don't want that. Send me another chakra chime to annoy Wind Chime fan with. Oh God. Well, I could just do that myself, you know. I could buy one myself and do. I do actually plan on getting that one day. Sorry, Wind Chime fan. But I do. Like to me, yeah, it is a funky sound, but it's a good funky sound. I like it. Same with the meditation, the Soulless meditation chime. Yeah, I know I said this was a windy video, but it's kind of just me running my mouth video. Because it's like, it's windy when I first start the video, but then it always settles down like about 2 minutes into the video. Like you guys have probably noticed, like the first couple of minutes is real windy, and then after that it calms way down until I stop recording again. It's almost as if the wind knows what I'm trying to do. Like, oh yeah, that right here, this, okay, so this chime right here, like, yeah, I think that, yeah, the wind's coming through that hole. This one's getting blown a lot more still than those. So I guess no matter which wind pattern you get, this one will still get a lot of wind, I guess. Which is kind of why I hung it back here. I like the sound of it, so I want it to get lots of wind. I hope the neighbors aren't annoyed though. If they do, that's my neighbor right over there. And for you guys wondering why I have so many Eggs Heart chimes, well, you know how back when I was little, I used to just kind of go for anything. So yeah, that's part of why I have so many Eggs Heart chimes. Oh yeah, and I can see what Vinyl Nerd's saying. Yeah, his has a lot more purple and mine has a lot more red. So mine looks more like a real hummingbird compared to his. Or maybe his is meant to be a different species than mine. I don't know. I know this one, I've never seen a purple hummingbird. I'm pretty sure that's a fake one. I don't even know if they still make this one. I'm getting the urge to do something naughty. Sorry. Oh my God. I bet Vinyl Nerd's cussing me out right now. Oh God. I had to do that. Sorry. That was funny. Besides the Gypsy, out of all the ones I have, besides the Gypsy, which one, I wonder which one's his second least favorite out of all the ones I have. I mean, it's oh, I know which one it is. It's that one. Kidding. I'm on a roll today. Oh, wow, yeah. There it comes. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. Bye.